Okay, YouTube, check this one out. This is the Inrico wireless Bluetooth microphone for Android. Nice bit of kit this. There you go. It's quite heavy, well made. There's your PTT, which you can use on Zello wirelessly on your Bluetooth, which I'll be giving you a demonstration of that shortly. There's your up and down. Let's get some focus on the camera. There you go, there's your up and down buttons for your volume. Nice belt clip. You undo this, and inside is a 3.7 volt flat battery, like the old Nokia types. There you go. Usually goes for about 10-12 hours talk time. USB port. There you go, try and get this bit rubbery. There you go. Old style, micro USB. It's your power on and off. There's your microphone. There's two holes there. That's an alarm button, but I don't know how to activate that one yet. That's a bit of a mystery, that one. That is a group button, which comes on, which I'll show you in a minute. And there's your little 3.5mm ear jack. Listen to the speaker separately. Yeah, there's your charging LED, which turns, I think is this one goes red when charged. Takes about 4 hours to charge, this does. And that one goes green on the right hand side when it's fully charged. So yeah, we'll power him up. He is already linked to my other phone, so he should, you know, connect and pair pretty quickly. So I'll show you. Alright, that was powering off because he was already powered on. Okay. Here we go. Alright, the flashing green and the beep indicates it's now been paired with the other phone. So yeah, I'll be back with you shortly to show some of the features that this can do. Catch you in a minute. Right, we're back. We've activated now to the other phone and make a phone call, so here we go. It's already connected to TV licensing. I'll turn them up.
Or on our website by visiting tvl.co.uk. Could you please tell me your license or customer number? Or say, I don't.
There you go, turn right down. So, oh yeah, to end the call, press the power key once. So that's how it's sorted. Yeah, I've got to say, obviously, it comes with the adapter. A nice long USB cable charger. And of course your manual. There you go, see if we can get any of that. A little bit of detailed information. There you go, music 12 hours. Cool. Bloody good going. So yeah. So back in a minute with another feature. I think now we're going to show you the last one of this video, what it can do with the PTT on Zello. So catch you shortly. Right, we're back with you now. Got the other phone connected to Zello and the microphone's connected to the phone, the Inrico. So we're going to push the PTT on the echo test on Zello, and it should repeat back my audio. Here we go. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Naughty Clive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Naughty Clive. Naughty Clive and bye.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Naughty Clive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Naughty Clive. Naughty Clive and bye.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So there you go, that's brilliant stuff. I've just showed you the demonstration of phone calls. You can also do music as well. I didn't show you that one, but yeah, you get the basic idea, and works perfectly on Zello. So thanks for watching the Inrico Bluetooth microphone, A nice bit of kit, and thanks for my to my partner Shell for getting it for my birthday last month. Love it. And thanks for watching. More videos soon to come. Catch you soon.